So today's little video is to get this thing going. Does it say it starts or not? No, it doesn't start. Okay, so we're going to change the plug, see if we get a spark, and then probably have to whip the carb off, clean the jets, and then see what happens. Take the filter off, see what that's like. You ready? Have you done any work on this yet? No?
Change the plug.
Looks pretty clean, doesn't it?
Leave it off. Don't need to start, does it?
Okay. Big 8-wheeler there, look, hiding.
He's alive, eh?
No, I think he's been there a while. It's pretty clean. Okay. That's going to show him. Right. So we put a plug in, but we're going to see if it sparks first. Oh, that sounds like. Live!
Oh.
Take the spark plug out, see if it's sparking.
I put a new one in it.
Yeah, did you check the spark?
No.
No. So you have an on switch there for the engine on, then we've got choke. Why have you got, oh, it's fuel, wouldn't it? It'd be choke, fuel
Stinks.
on. It smells, does it?
It stinks.
There's no spark. Is it, how wet is it wet?
No. It's not very moist.
Oh, so I know what that means. No fuel. Do you want to hold it while I pull it?
Yeah. That's what she said. Yeah, that's it.
I can't. Can you pull it? Because I can't hold it, and because it jumps. Anything? Yeah. You have a sparko. So just prime the carb, but not primed. You just drop a little bit of fuel into the carb, and then see if it fires. Bit of fuel in there, isn't it? Doesn't carb sound like it?
Yeah, I bet. The carb's not working.
Okay. Undo this one first. Undo these two. Pretty straightforward. Look at air intake. Oh, that's a bit split. Focus, focus.
Focus.
Should just pull forward now, shouldn't it? Gasket. Just ease the carb forward. Can't see that, these big fat hands in the way. There you go. What is that called? Is that, it's like a
It's a cable, really, isn't it? Accelerator cable.
Yeah.
I need to get these off now, this little fuel pipe.
off the carb, yeah. There we go, see the little clip. Should just pull off, it's not usually that tight, are they? There we go.
Stop leaking!
Oh, stop leaking. Where's the fuel tap?
On here.
Actually on the carb, so...
Yeah, just going to grab a nut for that then.
Okay, hold on one sec. Just pop the nut in, bolt in there. That's it. Slide the carby offy, and then take the chamber off and drop it on the floor.
Don't drop it on the floor.
So, 10 mil. Quite straightforward, this engine, isn't it? Whew. It's been on a while, hasn't it? None in it?
Empty.
Oh, right, okay.
Well, that's not ideal.
No. So here's the first problem we've come across, is the actual float is off skew because the pin's out. Someone had it also out apart.
I don't know.
Where's the pin missing? There's a pin missing. Someone's had this apart, Andrew.
Well, it's been running for ages apparently.
Really? Where's the pin? There's no shut-off pin. It's not dropped inside, is it? Just pulling the main jet out. I can't believe that run without the... It probably would run, would it?
Mm.
Ah, where? Look. Where'd that come from?
It was in there.
They put it in upside down.
No.
They did, honestly.
That's the way it's meant to be. I just don't think it was attached to the actual plunger.
No? There's a piece that... Where's the metal missing?
The metal's there.
No, there should be a little metal on here. There should be a metal sleeve that the spring fits into.
Well, unless it does just fit in there and goes up and down.
Okay, try it. Okay, taking the jet out to have a look at it. Let's come out of that. Let's have a look at this. Oh, right, so that came out, so the jet's clear now.
Mad, isn't it? But it's still a bit dirty in there.
Okay, clean the jet. Got a bit of a wire brush. Just take a couple of strands off it, clean them out. This float thing's bugging me a bit. Whatever, we'll give it a go.
I think maybe it should have been attached to it, you know.
I think someone's been fiddling because that pin was out.
Does it meant to be like that? Because otherwise there's not...
I think it's a metal plate missing off that. I don't know.
We put it on one coil.
Put one spring in it, you mean, yeah?
Yeah.
Does it fit?
Will do. Yeah, it's fiddly.
Put the pin in, okay. Okay, give it a go. Yeah, okay, choke fell off, so that goes on quite straightforward. You can't go wrong on into the hole. Should we give it a go?
Let's see if something holding it on. Maybe it does.
You have to be quick. Hopefully that fills the chamber up with a bit of luck. No, it's not on properly, is it?
No, I need some pliers.
Make sure you put the gasket on the right way round. The choke and the fuel levers go through the casing.
I'll have to go through after.
Actually, just push them through. Fits on perfect.
Okay, need the nuts again.
Should give it a go. The trouble is when you do something like this, you don't know who's fiddled with it before, do you? Gonna prime it?
How we prime it? There's no bumble.
Or just put some fuel in it? Try again with a bit more, yeah. Got the choke off. Hey, what's the matter with him? Right, if we took that carb off, yeah,
Needs a new carb.
Well, not a new one, but I think
A new seal set for it.
yeah. And that
That floats off.
that float chamber's not right. Okay, if we get the carb kit, or we'll see what the bloke wants to do with this at the moment, but I reckon there's a tiny little plate missing off that float chamber inside the carb. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. I know we haven't got it going, but we know we've got a spark, we've got everything else. Took it apart, and it looks like someone else has been inside this. Well, I reckon they've lost that little, it's like a little tiny plate that fits over the float chamber.
Maybe something to do with this fuel.
Could it?
Yes.
Well, there's fuel coming out, there's fuel in the bowl. Okay. Maybe give it another try then. Okay, this is what happens when you have low maintenance. And I think he's going to give up. We're going to trace the parts, have a word with the chap, see what he wants to do. It does work, so we go in, you've got ignition, it's got something to do with the carb. We probably think the throat chamber, or even it needs a bit more time spending on it anyway. So total strip down and clean and everything. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, subscribe button over there. I know we didn't achieve what we wanted to achieve, but we do know now that it starts, so it's not that bad. Okay, take care, catch you in the next vid.